It's summertime and we have sweet corn growing. So let's make some corn fritters with sweet corn, a little bit of sour cream, and some cold beer, a cup of flour, a little bit of salt. Let's get started. So I need to cut the corn off the cob, and each corn cob I put in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds, full power, and microwave each corn separately. Let it cool off a couple minutes so that it's touchable. It gets hot within a minute and 10 seconds, and the silks just come off so easily, as you see, just very easily this way. And it's cooked slightly. It's slightly warm now, but it's easier to get rid of the silks. And then I cut the kernels off the corn. There's several ways you can do it. You can lay it flat, or you can do it this way. Here is the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, the salt. I'm going to add about half the beer and mix this up to where it's kind of smooth. The rest of the beer, it's about 3/4 cup of beer. The measurements do not have to be exact with this recipe. You can kind of have almost, or a bit more, or mix up this batter. Add 2 cups of corn. Again, you don't have to have exactly 2 cups of corn, but stir this up. I have a non-stick pan that's heating up a little bit. I have it just over medium, so almost medium high, but not quite. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lard. You could use vegetable oil or anything that you want. I'm going to let this melt down. It's heated up pretty much. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measure. About like that. Put these into the frying pan. This will make about 12. I've been moving them around pretty much the whole time. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to flip them. Let them cook 2 more minutes. It's been almost 2 minutes. You can put them on a tray and put them in your oven at 200 degrees to keep warm. This is the best fried corn you've ever had, believe me. You could serve this as is. You could serve it with a little bit of salmon. And sour cream. A bit of basil. or just plain as a side dish. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. One of the best things I've made in a long time. Thank you so much for watching.